What's up, guys? Happy, what's today, Wednesday. I just uploaded a vlog and I did my little intro, so I'm very proud of that. Glad I had time for it because I've talked to 5 people about joining my team today. I did get one girl started with the business this morning, so I'm super excited to have her. She's in Georgia. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs because CJ, Kim, and Taylor just got back home. I just had my little self-care, quiet time. I didn't get to read my personal development book today, so I'm kind of upset about that, but it's okay because I got the vlog out to you guys. You see? Y'all see how I'm moving stuff around for y'all? So let's go downstairs, and I have my hair half up. I'm out of breath, half down because I'm about to detangle this mess. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and straighten it or whatever because I'm just so sick of detangling these curls. Let's go.
Hi guys.
What is going on with this play area? Hi, boo. No.
Oh.
You always want to hold it.
I'll never ever hold it.
Just say hi.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh, I know.
You guys, we have the tree up. I have my skirt down there. I have my pillows out.
I can't see them.
Have my little sign. I put this right here. Little that. Oh, Taylor, you have to do your thing. We didn't do it yesterday. What's today? Do you know? Today is the 4th.
These are nice.
Yes, thank you. Can you put the 4 in there? No, put in the 4.
And tomorrow's gonna be the 5.
Yeah, but today's the 4th, so put it in the 4.
Yeah, and last time was the 1, and last time was the 3, and last time it was this one.
Okay, go ahead.
That one.
Crazy girl. Hi, Cam. Cam, what are you doing up there? Y'all, this boy climbs on everything. No.
I don't see. I can't see them.
You need to get down.
No.
Get down, buddy.
I don't see the faces.
You want to see their faces. This boy, I cannot deal. These kids. Y'all see?
I think he boo-boo.
Y'all see?
Once you buy another one. Girl, you doing all that for clout. Clout right now. You would act for real. Look at this girl break it down. Look at this girl
Halle
break it
Berry. Halle Berry.
down. Yo, look at, hey.
Look.
He like, she tripping.
No.
Look, he know what he did too. He's so sleepy. Stop.
Daddy.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop. You gonna hit your head, boy. Stop.
Oh, my camera. He threw it.
I know.
Like a pieces. I never see it.
Okay, we can buy you a new one for Christmas, man.
I want a big one.
Matter of fact, we got plenty of cameras upstairs, like old cameras. You know that?
Y'all, Taylor made her first ornament at school. It's an angel. So cute. It smells so good. They're over here taking their naps. Taylor has dance practice, so I'm about to get her up and ready. Cam stays with one shoe on and one shoe off. Yes, my babies. So I'm waiting for CJ to get home. I need to detangle my hair so I can prepare to wash, blow dry, and straighten it. I purchased a new blow dryer because the last time I straightened my hair, I sectioned my hair in 4 sections to straighten my hair or to blow dry my hair. And I literally got to this section right here and the blow dryer broke. The on and off button stopped working. So I have never really liked Conair, but I bought this one. It's a Conair Pro, 2,000 watts. I had the yellow bird, but now I got the silver bird. That's what it's called, silver bird. I didn't know that. But I got that, and then I got this little repair treatment. I don't think I've ever used this before, but I feel like I need like a deep treatment on this hair because it's a little oily. And then I'm going to use, I've never used this either. I got these samples, I'm gonna use them. My Black is Beautiful. It's a Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. So I'm gonna use these to slay these tangles that I have. It shouldn't be that bad though, because I had a twist out. So it shouldn't be that tangled. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have Taylor snack and Cam snack for the gym already. About to go to the gym. And then y'all look at this little keychain I got. So I got this little trying to get the focus on my keys and not me. Y'all, if you didn't know, Leopard is in right now. But Cam broke my case for my AirPods, so I bought this one on Amazon. So cute. And it came with a little ball, and it also came with this, and I thought that was cute too. And I'm about to run out of space on this camera, so I'm gonna be back. I'm back. But what was I gonna tell you guys? Yeah, one of the questions I always get is, are you happy with your business? Or like, are there things that you're unhappy about with your business? And this is the honest truth answer to that. So the best way for me to answer, to give you guys an analogy, you know how you got your man, right? And that is the best man for you, and you want to do life with any other man but yours. That is how I feel about my business. So yes, there are things, you know, that come up just like any job, but I've never felt the urge to leave. Just like I've never felt the urge to leave my bae. I've never felt the urge to leave this business. I love my bae. I love this business. So that's the best way for me to explain that. And I'm gonna start explaining it to people that way when I hear that question. I really do love what I do, and I wouldn't want to do anything else. But CJ just got home, so I have to rush and get the kids ready. He's got to go change his clothes, and then I'm gonna have my quiet time and well, I'm already having quiet time because they're asleep, but I'm about to do my self-care time and read my book and stuff like that before my calls start. All right, tell us what you're doing.
Today I'm going to dance, and it's pretending you're my teacher, okay? This is my teacher, Mom. This is my teacher. This is my teacher. Her name is Tiara, and she can teach me on the moves. Okay.
And what's your name?
And my name is Taylor, and I'm the student. Okay, let's go. This for the beginning, you do it. But my teacher spelled a cheese food.
Go.
There's 5, 6, 7, 8. That, you're in the picture.
No, he's not. Keep going. We will rock you. We will rock you.
And this, no, first we have to do this. I forgot. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 7.
5, 6, 7, 8. All right, she made it up.
Let me tell you.
Tell them you made it up, guys.
I made it up, and let me tell
Say you should learn it. Tell them to learn it.
I'll learn it, guys. Because I want to see the guys.
Okay.
The guys are in there, right?
They're in there. Guys, are you in there?
Yeah, I thought you set up. I think you wasn't. Do you want to see my dance? Or you just want me? Are you sleepy, guys? Right now you're sleepy. Sometimes you be too grumpy.
Y'all being grumpy because y'all sleepy?
Yeah, you be grumpy like every day. I can't believe it. He stopped crying. It does lie on me, that's why. Because that's you. Because that's you. Because you always want me. And I always want you. So have a good day every day. Because you're too grumpy or too quick. Because I always say, subscribe.
Come on then. Yeah. You getting that side? Hold that thing with one hand. One arm, you strong too. I can't even do that. I'm trying to tell you, I can't do that.
Hi, it is Sunday. We just got home from baby Nova's first birthday party. It was really nice. Camden and Taylor had fun. So happy birthday to baby girl. CJ just went to put air in my tire. I'm about to braid this back up. I have to do some videos for my business. So I'm creating a page where I share all the details on my business, what I do, what the business has done for me, frequently asked questions that I get, information on the business. I'm gonna spell it all out for everyone. And so when people are interested in the opportunity or just the details, they're like, they just want the details, and I can just put them in that page. They can look and then they can let me know where they stand as far as wanting to do this with me and go to the top with me and make income with me, or them being too, that's what it boils down to. Either you're too scared to do it or you want to do it, or maybe you're not interested. You're just not interested after you get the details. So Cam and Taylor are playing over here in the play area. Camden is messing with stuff he's not supposed to, as always. Camden? Buddy, what are you doing? Huh? Give me that. Thank you. Can I have that? Thank you. Where's the sink? Put the sink back.
He made me the sink took it out.
Camden, he always take the sink out. Cam, come pick up the sink and put it back. Taylor, get your shoes and put them up. Parenting. With Taylor, constantly telling her to put stuff up. And with Cam, I'm constantly telling him to give me stuff that he's not supposed to have. That's the life. So, all right, y'all, let me go ahead and redo this hair so that I can film these videos later. What time is it? It's probably like 5 o'clock. No, it's only 4 o'clock. So I have my team call at 8. So I have a call at 7. Yeah, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do because I wanna get some rest before I get back in the swing of like working and stuff. So maybe I'll just do those videos after my call tonight. That makes sense. All right. So y'all, what's wrong, Mama? What's wrong? Did he really eat something? It's right down the ground. Oh. Want me to take it back? I can put it back. I'll fix it. Okay? I'll fix it. No crying, no tears. Can you end the vlog? Say thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week.
I didn't get a hug, y'all.
You didn't get to hug them? Well, go ahead and hug. Y'all better hug my baby. Go ahead. What are you doing? What is that on my floor?
I did not do this.
You didn't do it. I'll get it.
Yay. Mwah. I wish you guys bye.
Say see you guys next week.
And look, he broke up the stop.
Say see you guys next week.
See you guys next week.
Buddy. Camden. Say bye-bye.
I'll say sorry.
Say bye.
You go, Mom. You fix
Say bye.
it. You fix it.
Nope.
You fix it.